To send a message, first go to the participants list in your enrolled subject. Find the person you want to contact, such as your advisor or professor, and click on their name. You can add them to your contacts first if you wish. After that, you can either send the message directly from their profile or click the message icon in the upper right corner, search for their name from your contacts, and start a chat. Once their name appears, simply click it, and boom, you're ready to type and send your message. In the Messages tab, you'll see 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner. When you click this, several options will appear: User Info, Star Conversation, Block User, Mute, and Delete Conversation. If you select Star Conversation, you can begin a private chat with that person in the Starred section. This will move the conversation into your private message list,